All right, YouTubers, the nightmare itself, Dallisgrass. Man, this stuff is horrible. This is what it looks like in the wintertime. And she's just starting to come back alive again to spread seed and ruin your lawn some more. Well, you have to wait until it gets over 80 degrees. The best time to apply MSMA Target 6 is 80 to 90 degrees. So it's got to be 80 degrees. You can do it in the morning, but it's got to get up to 80 degrees so it can kill it. Okay, this stuff, nothing else works. I've tried everything in the book. The only thing you can do is dig it up, or you can break out MSMA Target 6, which is a very, very nasty chemical. You better wear a suit, you better put gloves on, you better put a hood on, you better put some goggles on, you better put a mask on, because this is some bad stuff, and some shoes that it cannot get through into your skin. MSMA Target 6 is a nasty one, but it does kill it. It will get rid of it. And my lawn is infested with this stuff every year, and I've just gotten to the point where I'm going to use my HITT hose and my sprayer, and I'm going to get it done the right way. So if you need to know how to identify it, here it is. This is what it looks like when it's dormant. When it starts spreading out, you'll see the leaves. They look exactly the same. Once they get too long, the seeds will start to spread. And when you mow, you'll just spread it more. And it'll be stuck in your mower, and you'll bring it all over your lawn, everywhere. So it's everywhere here. If you can see here, I'll take you through a whole batch of it real quick. There it is. All this stuff. If it looks like this in your lawn, it's not crabgrass. It's Dallisgrass. It's already starting to come alive. And it's still cold outside. So, look at the description below, and I'll leave all the products behind, what you need to do. And I'm also going to do a video on spraying it, so check it out.